crazy winds. The beach, they see a kite, big kite. Dog Beach wind today. Open the door so I can get off. We've been out, no surfers today. Onshore winds, west. Making it crazy out here today. Blowing all over the place. Dog Beach, the beach, San Diego. Wild winds bumping the car. Make us rock like crazy while we drink our rockin' coffee. We let everybody. Susie Kieran already went out a little bit. Say hi, Suze. Hey, say hi. Say hi, bud. Hi. Hi, everybody. What do you think, Suze? Pretty windy, huh? She just had some biscuits and water, huh? Just had some biscuits, yeah? Pretty crazy, huh? Cars driving by. Pretty crazy today, everybody. Bye.